this is my original background, and then this is the fake background. Can you spot the difference? Now, to make this video is very simple. To achieve this result is very simple. And number one tip is that make sure that you are on a plain background, okay? You're in a plain background like this with no item at your back, on a plain background like this with no words, no object can be spotted in your background, okay? To achieve this amazing result. So now, let's go so I can teach you how you can achieve the same results in a twinkle of an eye with just your phone and CapCut. Are you ready? Let's go. So for this, you'll be needing your CapCut app, okay? So you just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download CapCut app. It's an editing app that you can use on your phone to achieve this result, okay? So once you are done with this, please go to Google and then go to leonard.ai. Click on this Get Started. It opens up here. Then you click on Image Creation. Type in any prompt of your choice. For me, I wrote here a beautiful studio room with a cute decorations, blah 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 blah. Then click on that create, and then you to generate all these images for you within few seconds, and then you can make your choice. You can see that these images look like the one that was in the video that I recreated, okay? So you can choose any of these images. Okay, let me scroll and look for the one I used for my own video. I think I used this phone. So you download this. Okay, I've already downloaded it before, so I don't need to re-download it again. Next is to open the CapCut app, click on New Project, and then you go to your photos and bring in the image that I downloaded from Leonard.ai. Then you scroll and come to this where you see aspect ratio. Please put it at 16.9 because you're using it for YouTube, okay? If you're using it for Instagram Reels, choose the Instagram frame there, okay? So the next thing is for you to click on the clip and then stretch it a bit depending on the length of your video. Then the next thing again for you to do is for you to click on overlay, okay? Once you click on overlay, then you're going to bring in the video that you want to change the background, okay? So for me, I'll be using this particular image, okay? So the next thing for me to do is for me to go to this feature where it is written change background, then click on remove background. Automatically, it's going to remove the background for you. Yeah, it takes a few seconds. Wait until you see this green tick, okay? Once you see it, then it's completed. The next thing for you to do again is for you to adjust this video to suit the image, the background image, okay? This is what I'm trying to do exactly here. You have to adjust this to fit it properly so that it won't look fake like it's supposed to be. It won't look fake actually. So you can see at this point in time, I've achieved what I want to achieve. You can see that the image is properly fitted in the video. Okay, so once you are done, go ahead and export your video and start creating and start sharing on the platform that you want it to be, okay? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content like this. I share beautiful content on digital marketing and also how you can make money online, okay? Until next time, bye-bye.